Listen up, you lot. You think you know fruit, do you? Apples, bananas, boring. We're diving deep into the culinary jungle to find the most bizarre, the most outrageous, the most downright delicious fruits on this planet. From funky smells that'd clear a five-star restaurant to textures that'd make your granny blush, these ain't your average supermarket finds. Get ready to have your taste buds tantalized and your minds blown because things are about to get wild. First up, we've got the durian. This Southeast Asian bad boy is like the Marmite of the fruit world. You either love it or you think it smells like a sewer. And believe me, the smell is potent. We're talking feet, gym socks, and old cheese all rolled into one. But don't let that put you off. Underneath that pungent armor lies a creamy, custard-like flesh that's absolutely divine. It's packed with more vitamins and minerals than a health food store. But you've got to have the guts to get past the smell first. Next, we're tackling the Buddha's hand. Now, this fruit looks like something out of a horror movie, all tentacles and weirdness. You might be thinking, how the bloody hell do I eat this thing? But here's the kicker. You don't really eat it. This fruit is all about the zest. It's like the perfume counter of the fruit world, bursting with a powerful citrus aroma that'll knock your socks off. Grate it over desserts, infuse it in drinks, or just leave it lying around to freshen up the joint. Chapter 3. Horned melon, alien fruit, or culinary delight? Now, who's up for a taste of the horned melon? This fruit looks like it came straight out of a Salvador Dali painting, all spiky and vibrant. Don't be fooled by its intimidating exterior, though. Inside, you'll find a refreshingly juicy flesh that tastes like a tropical explosion. Imagine a cucumber got into a blender with a kiwi and a banana. That's the kind of madness we're dealing with here. Plus, it's packed with antioxidants, so it's not just delicious, it's bloody good for you. Chapter 4. Rambutan. The hairy wonder. Hold on to your hats because the rambutan is here. This fruit looks like it just stepped out of a Dr. Seuss book, all fuzzy and red with a mischievous grin. But don't let the hair scare you. This fruit is a real treat. One bite of that juicy, translucent flesh and you'll be hooked. It's like a sweeter, more delicate version of the lychee. And just like the durian, it's loaded with vitamins and minerals, so you can feel good about stuffing your face. Chapter 5. Jackfruit, the gentle giant of the fruit world. Last but not least, we've got the heavyweight champion of the fruit world, the jackfruit. This monster can grow bigger than a small dog, but don't let its size intimidate you. Inside those spiky pods, you'll find a sweet tropical treasure trove. It's like a mango, a pineapple, and a banana had a love child, and it's absolutely divine. Vegetarians, listen up. This fruit is your new best friend. Cook it up right, and it becomes a meaty, satisfying substitute that'll make you forget all about those dry, flavorless veggie burgers. Outro, so there you have it. 5 fruits that prove Mother Nature has a wicked sense of humor. From the pungent durian to the gigantic jackfruit, these culinary curiosities will challenge your senses and expand your palate. Remember, don't judge a fruit by its smell or its spiky exterior. Sometimes, the weirdest-looking fruits are the most delicious. Now go out there, get adventurous, and explore the wonderful world of fruit.